Hello, my name is Lauren Eminette, and this slideshow is about project control. The phases of project management are initiation, planning, execution, control, and closing. The initiation phase of project control is the most important because it defines exactly what your purpose for the project is. Our project selection is already done for us and defined in the homework. This would be done by following the outlined steps for project managers. The steps outlined are educate your organization on EHR and the project, identify stakeholders and owners, identify subject matter experts in each area considered, understand environment, such as understand the skill set of clinical and IT staff, and understanding the process by which the clinic or office will obtain the EHR, and understanding the budget. In the bottom right hand side, you'll see an example of how to predict the rate of performance planned duration, and estimated end of the project. We cannot predict the budget overrun because we are not provided with enough information to do the calculation. First, you want to start by adding the number of weeks the project will take to do the first two activities to get the planned work, and then how long it will take to get the actual work. Then the rate of performance is next. This is calculated by dividing the actual work by the planned work. Third, planned duration is calculated by adding the planned duration in weeks and then subtracting the two activities not included in the critical path. These are C and G. Lastly, we calculate the estimated project end by multiplying the planned duration by the rate of performance. The planning process is essential in getting tasks done on time and in the most effective way possible. The activities being carried out should be listed, and then a schedule will be created and the budget, and then people will be assigned to each task. Some points in the planning process are on-site assessment of the environment, detailed questions for each clinical area, build draft schedule, confirm requirements, verify staffing and training. In the next slide, we will see an example of how to create a schedule from the homework data. To use the Gantt chart, there will be another video linked that will detail instructions of how to enter data, but for this video, we will just show you what it will look like to create a schedule. This is also where you will be able to see the critical path for the project. The execution phase is exactly what it sounds like. This is when the project is being implemented and outlines the duties of the project manager. The project manager is usually a supervising professional whose only duty is to manage the project and oversee the workers. The project manager's second most important duty is to facilitate communication between workers and make sure all tasks are being done correctly and in the right order. The project manager is supposed to be monitoring the outcomes of tasks and making sure everything is aligning with the direction of the project. The manager is also in charge of risk monitoring and control, logging issues, reporting performance, and cost control. Finally, the end. A routine process takes place where all contracts and financials are closed out and reported. Licenses and warranties are documented, and project records are completed, collected, and archived.